You need to, no?
You're fine. Hey guys, check out this bento box that we just received today. So it comes in the color blue, but there's so many different colors that you can get online. So this bento box is really cool because it has these little snaps. So once you're ready to go for lunch, you can literally just snap them in. So make sure you press down because it does have a little insulation. And once you snap them, you're able to just unsnap and ready to go. Just like that. Like I said, here's the insulation. Make sure before when you do use this that you do have to wash it before because it did come in the packaging. Like I said, it's like a little stainless steel thing, so it's super easy to super clean. And as well at the bottom, once you remove this, you do receive some chopsticks and a spoon, which is really nice because sometimes when you do forget your utensils, you have some already stored here. Or also too, if you want to put more utensils, you can always do that as well. Like I said, it comes in the color blue, but there's so many different colors online and different sizes as well. So let's go on ahead and check it out.